Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imani. You are back with another makeup tutorial, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Right now I'm priming my face, prepping and priming. You guys know the drill. If you're familiar on my channel, you know I do this with everything before I even put makeup on my face. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I kind of don't really feel like saying too much in regards to the tutorial. My tutorials have become self-explanatory, especially if you've been here watching. You know the majority products that I use. If you don't, a lot of my products that I use, I feel like they're affordable, but at the same time on the high end. Like I use this heart-shaped tags, but then I might alternate with the elf, or I'll use my Too Faced, or I might alternate with Kiss New York Professionals. Anything else on my bronzer? My bronzer is probably the only thing that is pretty expensive, which is the Benefit Hula bronzer. Right now, I know. And then as far as my blush, I use the Juvia's Place Saharian Blush Volume 2. And my setting powder, I alternate between the Kiss New York Professionals, and I mix that in with the Airspun, or I will use the Laura Mercier. And that's the main ones that I use. And my setting sprays could vary between, right, the Morphe setting spray. My bad, you guys. I had to re-regulate with Nay. Nay was just mad because I wouldn't give her my phone. But like I said, I like to alternate between the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, or I will use the Kiss New York Professionals Matte Setting Spray. There goes my other child. Yeah, y'all know how this goes. Y'all know I'm a mom, so you know you're gonna probably hear my kids in the background. Okay, take three. We had to take three or take two, whatever. But I had to distract them with some chips. Isn't it funny how, whether you're a parent or not, isn't it funny how when you're doing absolutely nothing, nobody is bothering you, but the second you pick up and get active, it seems like your phone just goes off. People all of a sudden need your undivided attention, or you just seriously can't seem to like focus because of external stuff. That's literally me. What I was saying though was basically like, I like to mix my highs and my lows, but I'm not really going to be doing too much talking in this makeup tutorial because everything is self-explanatory. If you guys want to know, just let me know down in the comments below what I use, but it's all things that I normally use in my videos, just because I like to give you guys affordable glam. So I'm actually going to stop talking here, and I am going to let you guys just vibe out for the evening. If you haven't noticed, that I've been uploading around evening time because I feel like that's the best time to unwind, and that's really what I want you guys to do with me in this series right now. You just unwind with me, enjoy some makeup, and enjoy some alone time, or even if you're sitting down with your husband, because I've actually got my husband into makeup tutorials. It's really funny. Like I sit down and like he's sitting there watching them with me, and he's just like, oh, what is she using? Or he'll sit there and be like, oh, I don't like the way that looks, but that's her face. Like he's not dogging anybody, but he's just more so on the lines of like, he's interested in what I'm interested in. I love that for him. Like if I'm watching Real Housewives, he's like, oh, wait a minute, hold up, don't watch it without me. Like I love my husband. He's just like on it with me. But like I said, if you're sitting down with your boyfriend, your husband, your mom, whomever, just sit down, watch some makeup. And if you feel the urge to get up and do some makeup yourself, with all do that. But like I said, I'm gonna go mute now because my chip bandits are coming back in here.
talk street art and sarcasm, crass humor and high fashion. Peach color moon glistens, the plot thickens as we laugh off of shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, you for daring, would you rather? A cold flame, the thrill of no shame. Drug, sex, and Polaroid. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could paint all of these moments in vibrant. You are right, searching, gotta play, searching, pillow talk, searching, sweet dreams, turn it. Coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning. Sleep. It's the smell of your hair, and it's the way that we fit. I never felt comfortable like this. Old souls have found a new religion. Now I'm swimming in that sea of baptism. Peach colored skies reveal the sunrise, and two lost angels discover salvation. Don't you wish we could run away now? Yes, yes. Drugs, sex, and Polaroids. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could be around with these moments in vibrant. You were right, searching, gotta play, searching, pillow talk, searching, sweet dreams, coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning. Alright, it's the smell of your hair, and it's the way that we fit. I never felt comfortable. Oh no. Talk street art and sarcasm, crass humor and high fashion. Peach color moon glistens, the plot thickens as we laugh off of shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, you for daring, would you rather? A cold flame, the thrill of no shame. Drug, sex, and Polaroid. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could paint all of these moments in vibrant. You are right, searching, gotta play, searching, pillow talk, searching, sweet dreams, turn it. Coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning. I don't wanna wake you, I just wanna watch you sleep. a new religion. Now I'm swimming in that sin. Baptism, peach colored skies reveal a sunrise. And two lost angels discover salvation. Don't you wish we could run away now? Yes, yes. Drugs, sex, and Polaroids. Pick a star in the sky. We could both say goodbye all night. Wish I could be lonely. These moments in coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning, but I don't wanna wake you. I just wanna watch you sleep all right. It's the smell of your hair, and it's the way that we fit. I never felt comfortable. Oh no. Talk street art, sarcasm, crass humor in high fashion. Peach color moon glistens, the plot thickens as we laugh off of shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, you for daring, would you rather? A cold flame, the thrill and no shame. Drugs, sex, and Polaroid. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could be more love. These moments in coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning. I don't wanna wake you, I just wanna watch you sleep. It's the smell of your hair, and it's the way that we fit. I never felt comfortable like this. Old souls have found a new religion. Now I'm swimming in that sin. Baptism, peach colored skies reveal a sunrise. And two lost angels discover salvation. Don't you wish we could run away now? Yes, yes. Drugs, sex, and Polaroids. Pick a star in the sky. We could both say goodbye all night. Wish I could be lonely. These moments in coffee in the morning.